How to simply transfer your Lazada Pay wallet balance to your account or simply to your Gcash account. How you can do it in this video, I'll show you all of the steps one by one. So please watch the video till the end and follow the steps I'm going to take in this video and be till the end of the video. Click the Lazada wallet icon and select cash in, and the amount that you want to cash in, the minimum amount that you can top up is PHP 20, while the maximum amount is PHP 50,000. The different cash in channels will be displayed. Scroll down and choose Gcash, then select confirm the payment. The next screen will show up top up successful. You will also receive a notification out of it. Open the Lazada app, search Gcash and cash in, select the amount you want to convert, click buy now option, enter your phone number, then you simply have to place the order, select the payment method using Lazada wallet, then enter the verification code, then click confirm. So this is a video how you can do it. Thank you so much for watching it.